What's up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a quick and easy liquid culture recipe for growing any mushroom. I will also talk about how to prevent cloudiness and sediment after pressure cooking. To get started, you'll need a quart jar with a modified lid, a magnetic stir plate, 600 milliliters of hot water, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Completely dissolve 1 tablespoon of honey into the hot water. Use a piece of tin foil to cover the lid and then pressure cook at 15 psi for 30 minutes. If you are seeing sediment at the bottom of your jar, it is most likely because of overcooking, so try not to go over 15 psi or longer than 30 minutes. If I accidentally overcook a batch of liquid culture, I dump it out and start over. This golden color is perfect. Once the sterilized honey water has cooled down, you can now inoculate it to expand your favorite spore syringe or culture. This method works every time for me, so if you're having any problems using honey or you haven't tried it yet, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one.